Squeak, squeak animals. The pockets on these shorts, they become frickin' thin on the ends, and since these shorts are already sun damaged, figured I should just get this out of the way before next summer. And these used to be my brother's shorts, so that's why they have had a lot of wear, and they were cheap shorts to begin with. So this is going to be a real simple repair. All you got to do is backstitch. It's an easy stitch that you have to learn. It's well worth it for something which is actually falling apart or needs to be reinforced. This isn't going to be the best looking thing, but I can always do more rows of backstitching here. The other way to do this would be to just go in and out a bunch of times and maybe even do a blanket stitch around the edges, but I don't really feel like doing that. And once again, I'm using a normal embroidery thread like this and a large embroidery needle. It kind of sits weird, it's more stiff, but it's something. So I'm gonna put the needle into the bottom and then tie my knot there so that I don't have to look at it for the next 4 years. For comparison, it's a lot more floppy and a lot more frayed.